polygon, I hope, a little bit. It's not as complicated as it seems. You might have to practice a little, but here we are, and I've set everything up. Up here you can see I've got no fill. If I wanted an orange fill, I could go to this and choose any of these. But a no fill, you go up here and you click that, or you could select down here, it doesn't matter. Stroke black and one pixel or 1 point. Okay, so we're good on that. We've set everything up. This is the template. I'm doing a CS3, even though I'm working in CS5, shouldn't be a problem. And now I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use this. First of all, don't let the instructions throw you. If you see an Alt, that's of course pertaining to a Windows machine. If you see Option, that's how it works with a Mac. The rest of them are the same for both. So on the rectangle tool, the very first one, you want to go here, and as I hover my mouse over this particular tool and hold the mouse button down, you see it shows me all those other tools. So if you're having trouble there, that's a good way to find that one. Let's go to the rectangle tool, since that's the one right up here. And it says if I hold down my Alt or my Option key, my Option because I'm working on a Mac, I ought to be able to draw this from the center like that. Let's say I just, well, say I go over just a little like that. And now I'm stuck. Well, not really. That's where it says if I take my space bar and hit it, it's going to move it over just a little. If that doesn't work like it didn't then, go get your select tool down here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me move this over. Get your select tool right there. Go up here and then just grab that and move it over. You can just, this little tool right now for selecting, kind of avoid that for a while. Use this one right here and I think you'll have good results. Okay. And I could do the same for any of these. Now it also says if I want to do a square, get that rectangle tool, take it over here. I'm starting from the center, and this time my instructions say to make it a square, to hold down the Shift key. Starting in the center, I'm going to try to make a square. Well, I'm making a square, all right. It's not going to fit on the space as it goes from the corner. So I'm going back here, get my select tool, and I'm going to move that little guy back over on top like that. Okay? So that'll give you some good ideas, I think. On the rounded rectangle tool, let me run through that real quick. Here's my tool right here. Let's say I want to draw that one, and for some reason I don't like what's going on with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to adjust that a little by hitting those are my space keys. If I hit my up and down arrow, then I can put it up like that, go back and get my select tool, and maybe pull it in just a little like that, diagonally, so it'll come in. Now, my sections here, the radiuses on those corners, show to be a little bit steeper than what I want. And to make that work, what I would have to do would be, according to the instructions, to make that a little bit different, is I'd have to use the increase-decrease arrow keys on that. Okay, so let's try this. Now that's just going to move it. Let's try this. That's just going to move it. So when I draw that, I assume is when that's going to work. So let me get out of that, get back to this tool. Now when I draw it, I'm going to try to do this, and now I'm going to hit the increase. I want to decrease that a little bit. See how that works? Hitting that bottom arrow makes it a little bit closer, a little bit. I think I want to increase the radius. I want to curve it more, don't I? That look about right? I think so. Then I can continue to draw out with my mouse button and then pull this back and see if I can get it to fit. That's a little bit closer. Yeah, that fits better. All right? Just play with that until you kind of get it too. And the same will work on those as you go through. Let me skip down, go back to this, and certainly if you go into the polygon tool, that's where you get these right down here. This would be the oval tools. Follow the same, pardon me, directions. Go down to the star tool. Let's skip down here. Let me show you how that works. Holding down, and I've already got that set because I was practicing on this guy over here, but now I want fewer of those stars. I want to get 5 stars, which is what I've got it hovering over. So I'm going to hit my bottom arrow key, and you see how I'm trimming that back down just one at a time. Okay, there's, that's 6. I want 5. There we go. So that's about the right size. Go up here and get my select tool, pull this guy over on top, and now I'm going to have to, by that select tool, just hovering it on the diagonal, I can get that bent tool. That'll let me, if I drag it just a bit, let me line it up a little bit better. Okay, and I can probably do that again and get a little closer. And then if I want to take that diagonal, I can make the shape smaller or larger by dragging diagonally on the corner. Okay, that looks a little bit closer to what I want. So now I'm going to use my arrows to kind of line it up. And if you give me that, I'd say that's close enough. Okay, same on these, only now I've got my arrow or my star tool. And I'm going to try to do this one, and it's going to give me 5. So I'm going to hit my top arrow, and that's going to give me more spokes. That's about right, I think, isn't it? What are we going to go for here? There we go. Go for 8 of those, get this tool and drag it over there. Okay? Hope that helps you guys some. I know this is a little confusing at first, and sometimes just having somebody talk you through it makes it a little bit easier. Good luck. Look forward to seeing your work, and thanks so much.